welcome back to Snigi's Creativity. I wish you all a very happy Holi, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you how to make stickers at home in a very easy way. So let's begin.
So I have drawn a circle on a white sheet of paper. Now here I am using poster colors and creating a background for the sticker. It is the colors Special Pink, Violet and Peacock Blue, just for your reference. Let the first layer dry. I'm writing the word love. You may write or do anything you want. All the materials that are required in this video are there in the description down below for your reference. Cut the circle after it's completely dried. For storing the sticker for later use, we need butter paper or wax paper. Now you may cut it. Take the max size of cello tape you have and stick it just like I've shown. Stick the center and then just stick it. Press it so that it has even surface. Now cut the sticker with some axes so that the sellotape is able to stick on paper. While using it, peel the butter paper off and stick it on the paper, and then you're good to go. This is a close-up look of how it looks. Let's see it again. Draw in paint. Cut it. Stick it. Again cut it with the axis. And we are done. I made a few, just take a look at them. It's very easy and a good way to make your own personalized sticker. This is how they look. I have taken a photo of it.
So I hope you enjoyed your Holi and my today's video. Comment down below and let me know how you found the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.